Hello everyone. Do you like this colorful treescape that I did in watercolors? And would you like to see how it was done? Come on then, stay with me till the end and I will show you exactly how I did it. I'm using a cold press watercolor paper here and a round brush. I have done a very basic outline of the landscape that I want to do here, and after wetting the surface of the sky area I have started with the watercolor painting. I'll be using the watercolor technique of wet in wet mostly throughout the painting. Only at the very end a few detailings may be added using the dry technique. If you want to know more about the various techniques that are used in watercolors, you may have a look at the videos on techniques of watercolor that I have on my channel posted earlier. The links have been given in the description below. Here for the sky I have used the wet in wet technique, wherein I have wetted the surface of the sky area and put in the watercolors into that wet surface, whereas for the trees largely I'm using the scumbling technique. Also here I'm assuming the light coming from the top left corner, and therefore the left sides of each of the trees will be in light tones, whereas the right side of each of the trees will be in dark tones. There is no reference image taken for this painting. It is largely done through imagination. I am just going to depict some colorful trees in a line, and so let us proceed with the painting in this way. water body in the front, again I have made the surface area a little wet so that I can work in the wet in wet technique for the water area. Within the water area I am using some vertical strokes to indicate the reflections of the trees in the water, and some horizontal ones will indicate the waves. So that's it, our painting is done. If you like this video, do like, subscribe and share. And don't forget to press the bell icon so that you get future notifications. You may also leave your comments and also what other works you would like to see. Also click on the end screens here to watch other videos. See you the next time.